So, in this video, I'm gonna film the activity 2, which is the MP3 app na may 10 na audios. So, this is the code in my application. So, I'm making a Flutter app na MP3 player na mapi-play mo yung mga audio files, and each audio has different or unique color coded container. So ito mga yun. So yung ideas naman for making this app is to create a straightforward and visual MP3 player na mag-play ng audio or music sa mobile or sa web platform. Meron na. Run natin siya. So the software used So the software used in this application is the Flutter SDK and Flutter SDK and audio player package. Tsaka Dart language pala. Sometime natin para matignan natin kung nag-play yung mga sound dito pala yung mga yung mga nakapili kong song walang kwenta. Pang meme lang. Let's see kung nag-play siya.
Hello. It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario.
Ayan, mga sound effect, pang meme, and wala, random lang. Ringtone lang po.
Oh my God!
So, ayan yung mga sounds, audio files na nag-play. Dart. So, dito yan. Dito sila.